YouTube, it's Justin, aka Demonic Sweaters, here with another drum lesson. Today we're going to be talking about how to take a simple, well, if you're new to drumming, it may not be simple to use, so I shouldn't say that, but to take a paradiddle, which is a rudiment exercise, and just turn that into a cool drum beat like what you just heard. This is a great thing to be able to do, and you may notice, well, later on I'll show you how this has been used in some pretty famous songs. But anyway, if you're not familiar with what a paradiddle is, it's basically a rudiment exercise. And what a rudiment is a hand sticking pattern. There's a bunch of rudiments, and paradiddles are one of the first ones that you'll learn when you first start playing drums. And the paradiddle just goes like this. Right, left, left, left. Or left, right, right. So the first one was a right-handed paradiddle, and the second one was the left-handed paradiddle. So let me just show you that again. Right, left, left, left. That's the right-handed paradiddle. Now here's the left-handed. Left, right, right, right. But the one we're going to be focusing on in this lesson is the right-handed paradiddle. Now, what we're going to do, instead of using our right hand, we're actually going to start using our right foot in place of the right hand. So it would go like this. Right, left, left, right, left. Right, left, left, left. Right, left, left. Okay, so now if we take that and we loop it over and over again, like this. You can see that it's starting to sound like a beat. So now all we have to do to really turn that into a beat is just put some eighth notes over top of it on either the hi-hat or the ride cymbal. In the opening example, I was using the ride cymbal, and I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So. Now once you have that down, what's really cool is you can start moving your left hand around the kit to give it some variation. You can also change up your dynamics a little bit and maybe add in a foot hi-hat there as well. For example, like this. Okay, so as you can see, this will create a lot of different possibilities of different beats that you can create. Now, one famous example of a way that this was used was the song called The Immigrant Song by Led Zeppelin. Now, the Immigrant Song beat goes something like this. Something like that. But if you really slow this down and you start to analyze it, you can see how John Bonham basically took a paradiddle and just messed with it a bit, took the feel of a paradiddle and started leaving some things out, like the snare. Like if we start out with a paradiddle like this, and I start leaving out some of those snares, and then I add in one little bass drum addition here, then speed up, put in some ghost notes, and you can hear how something like The Immigrant Song was created basically from a paradiddle. So you can see that there's a lot of different things you could do with this, and it's one of my favorite exercises to play with. Paradiddles are a lot of fun. And then we could take kind of the same approach with a left-handed paradiddle and turn that into a beat as well, even though this one sounds a little bit more odd and it's not something you would use as often probably. So it would go something like this. Left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right. Anyway, so that's how you can take just your basic paradiddle exercises and start turning them into drum beats. I hope you found this lesson educational and helpful, and you learned something from it. If you did, let me know by clicking thumbs up and subscribing down below. And I have all kinds of music videos on here as well. And be sure to check out my link for my 180-gram vinyl release of an album that I recorded myself called Minnesota. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great day.